No more Tuesday shout outs. Sorry, y'all. Hey, y'all. Anson here from Ivey Forge and Homestead. Okay, so this is actually take two of this shout out video that I've been trying to do on Tuesdays. For whatever reason, I recorded from my phone and it didn't record audio. I've been having an issue with it. I do need to get another one. Hey, it happens. So, bad news though. No more Tuesday shout outs. Sorry, y'all. But on the positive side, I am actually going to be doing a shout out. This is going to be the last shout out. And what I'm going to be doing from now on, what I'm trying to be doing from now on Tuesdays, is I want to do a top 10 Tuesday from y'all. Okay, so this is how it's going to kind of work. Top 10 of whatever that we like, right? Homesteading, blacksmithing, woodworking, cooking, craftsmanship, just anything that falls in that, timber framing, whatever, okay? Send us those recommendations. I'll put the email down in the description, and we'll keep getting those emails from y'all for those recommendations of a channel that is below 1,000 subscribers that you want to see in the top 10 Tuesday. Okay, that's what we're doing from here on out. So it's still shouting out. It's just not coming from us. It's coming from y'all. And we're just the platform to put it all together. Okay, that's it. So start sending those emails. Let's get them out. Okay, so for now, I'm going to go ahead and do this last little shout out. Okay, I have, there's quite a few of these that are under 1,000. I'm even going to throw out some that are over 1,000 just because I think they're an awesome channel. They really help what they do with their community. Okay, blacksmithing community, woodworking community, homesteading community, they're just awesome. And even though they are over 1,000 subscribers, I want you to go check them out if you're not already subbed to them because they're awesome. All right. Okay, here we go. In no particular order, I might say something about them, I might not. Okay, Rockin' 8 Farms, dude. You already know. I already know you're gonna watch me, so y'all need to go check out this channel. Okay, 4 Kids in a Farm, A Simple Life with Chris and Tara or Tara. I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I've heard it both ways. Sorry. Okay, Across the Plains Metal Detecting. He actually won one of my T-shirts, and it's on the way. It's coming. All right, Angie C, the Hibernation Stitcher. All right, that's actually my cousin. She does a lot of cross stitch type stuff. She also puts out scripture. So if you're into stuff like that, at the end of her video, she does a lot of scripture and things like that. And her channel's actually bigger than mine. I know, right? Crazy? But nah, I'm happy for her. Y'all go check her out. Okay. B&B Forge. Bobo. All right, that's Bob over at B&B Forge. Him, it's a father and son duo, and homeboy's got my back. He's actually holding on to my truck for me with it being broken down. It broke down on our way back from my mom's last year, and it's been sitting in this place ever since. Him and a buddy went and picked it up for me off the side of the road, and I'm trying to get it fixed, but you know how it goes. Charming Hollow Forge. All right, this dude, he's almost at 1,000 subs. He's almost at 1,000 subs. Very beautiful, artistic blacksmithing that he does. Oh my! If I have the picture, I'm gonna throw a picture up here. That way you can check out just some of the work that he does. Amazing. Okay, go. He's so close. All right, Colorado Crafter, Drayson's Forge, Farmish Kind of Life. Hey, go check him out. Drayson's Forge. He sends me products for my beard. You know, keeping it nice and pretty like. You know, sends me some bling. That way I bring it together like this. Throw some bling in it, or you know, just stuff the product to put in there to keep it nice. Okay, but go check him out. Farmer's Kind of Life. Man, she's funny. If you don't laugh when you go to her channel, there's something wrong with you. But you need to go check her out. She's great. Right? And then some of the people that are over 1K. So I have Island Metal Forge. Dude, Yamez, you're awesome, brother. Just keep giving back to the community. Community's going to give back to you. Christ-Centered Ironworks, Roy and Jess. I actually just won something from them. Samson's Farms, Papa Texas, Mr. Chickadee, and Toonstead. Baby just walked in.
Hi.
All right, so those last bit, they're all over 1,000 subs, but they're all great channels. They all give back to their community, and just some of those things. Go check them out. They're great. They're awesome. And while you're down in the description, go into that email link. Make sure you're also checking out some of our links as well. Okay, I have Instagram, Facebook. We're there, right? I have Etsy if you want a nice hat, want a nice shirt. We got some more stuff coming out. We actually got a cartoon made of us from the Homestead. Right? Awesome. I'll throw up that picture here. That way you can check it out. And those things will be coming to you soon. And also, if you feel like giving a donation, you can go ahead and click on the PayPal link. We greatly appreciate it. Not required. All right. And thanks, y'all. We'll see y'all next one. Bye-bye now.
Woohoo!
Hey, y'all. Anson's here.